Hello, it's your friend Muppet Fan. And when I was watching the episode, Going with the Tide Slime Time, I noticed that there's an emergency alert system. Here it is. I got footage of it. Here it is. Just wait for this. It's gonna come. Here it is.
Tornado warning for southwestern Macomb County in southeastern Michigan until 2 p.m. At 1:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Royal Oak or near Troy, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Warren and Sterling Heights around 1:15 p.m. Clinton around 1:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Fraser, Roseville, and Clinton Township. This includes I-94 between mile markers 230 and 231. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2 p.m. for the following county: Macomb, Michigan.
I'm not sure what jewelry to wear. No problem.
Alright, that's the emergency alert system. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.
Wow.
We're not done yet. During Autism Month on April, I've recorded this on April, there has been another emergency alert system. This was after Sesame Street, the Wet Dog Wiggles, and before Work It Out Wombats. I'll show you it.
Dinosaur train. Next stop, your place. All aboard. Watch now.
I'll show you it.
PBS Kids. PBS Kids is home to all your best friends.
Everyone loves hanging with friends.
Day and night.
Our friends are here.
Keep watching right now.
Watch the Detroit PBS Kids live stream anytime on your phone, tablet, or computer.
I'll show you it now. So sorry, there is no message, guys, but that's okay. The Sesame Street episode of The Wet Dog Wiggles aired on April 9th, 2025. Bye-bye. And that's Elmo and Big Bird. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Now to take this thing down. Fuck you.